Today we are renovating my friend's master bedroom with a new wall and beautiful new flooring with NOVOcore Q flooring. First, they are adding board and batten walls to the back of their main accent wall of the master bedroom. We decided to use the beautiful gray tone called Verde in NOVOcore flooring. This flooring is super easy to install with the click system versus no glue and no mess. The rigid core allows direct installation right over any subfloor. The NOVOcore Q floor is up to 3 times quieter than the normal 4mm flooring, and it comes with the pre-attached cork backing. Another thing we loved about this floor is that it is 100% waterproof and can resist moisture. It can be installed anywhere and comes in so many beautiful colors. You will need to remove all of the baseboards and make sure that the floor is swept and clean. You will start from the left side of the room and work your way to the right side of the room. Position the planks and snap them in, and you're going to use a rubber mallet to make sure it firmly locks into place. Be careful not to tap too closely to the joint edge to make sure there is no damage. You can use a utility knife to cut your planks according to how long you need the length. The cleanup on these boards is amazing, and you can use a damp mop and natural cleaners to clean the vinyl flooring. When your floors arrive from NOVOcore, you will have all the directions you need, and their website provides more information to help you install these correctly. We absolutely love the way this turned out in my girlfriend's master bedroom. It completely lifted the room, added a brightness and a beautiful feel. These NOVOcore floorings are absolutely stunning. We even did a quiet test. Check this out and see what we came up with. We're gonna walk across and we're gonna put on the high heels and see if it sounds any better. Pretty quiet. Actually, I think this is pretty quiet. Like, you can hear the tap, but when you normally, like, when you walk on wood floor, like, look at, you can hear that when you clap, but, okay, let's move it. I'm not even gonna stop. Let's move it and go to another wood floor. Oh my gosh.
Such a difference.
Did you hear that? I'm not stepping any harder, but that was, yeah, total difference in sound. And then we walk back into the bedroom. Oh yeah, totally different sound.
That's awesome.
We're actually pretty impressed.